What is up, my Wookiees? I'm going to be going through just a quick few steps on how to update your Gala node in case you didn't know how or are getting stuck on some areas. I'm going to do that for Linux first and then Windows, so you can skip ahead if you need Windows. And let's jump right into it, guys. So first thing first, my friends, if you have Gala node version 3.2 or on, all you have to do, simple right here, sudo gala node update. This is it. That's all you do. And it's going to, of course, ask you for your password. I'm doing this on my computer, so that's why my password's on here. And you click enter, and it's going to say, would you like to update? And then when it says that, you click Y for yes, and you click enter, and then it's going to update. It is really that easy. And it's going to go through everything, and it's going to update it for you. That's how easy it is. You can try this command. If you're at less than 3.2 though, it's going to say something about a help topic, which means we need to go to our next steps on what to do if you aren't that far along. So this is just the support Gala page. Install the Gala node software on Ubuntu Linux. You can get it from your node, web page. You can find this page real easy. I'll link it below as well. So you're going to click copy right here. You're going to go to your window. You're going to paste it in there. You're going to click enter. That easy, okay? If it asks you if you want to do it, click yes. Then you're going to go to the next one. Simply copy, paste. Yes, this is step 5. Right now we're at 3.2.4. You do need the current version number. It should say it when you install it here. It's going to install the version, so you should be able to see what the version is installing on your Linux page. Then you're going to paste that, and you're going to click enter, okay? Then you're going to go to the next one. You're going to go ahead and go to the install here, copy it, click paste. At that point, it's going to start to load up, and then it might tell you that you have another Gala node installed. Do you want to remove it? You could click yes. It'll remove it, and then it'll install this. That's all you have to do. You do not need to do your API key again. You do not need to do the node licenses again. You don't need to do the configure workloads. All you need to do at that point is just make sure your Gala node is started. If you're having any kind of issue after the initial install that you do here, you can just do sudo gala node restart, and I'll type that in here just so that you see it. So it would be sudo gala node restart. That's simple. Click enter, and it'll restart your node, and then everything should be good to go. And then just wait about 10 minutes or so, and then go to your node.gala.com webpage. Make sure that it is showing 3.2.4 as your now installed, new node. Now, just to touch base on some other common kind of errors and mistakes, one thing you can do if you get a new node license, let's say you just got a new Gala film node or something, all you're going to do is you're just going to do sudo gala node configure workload, and then you're going to put in film, and it'll go ahead and add film to your list. And then you'll be able to see it on your node website or your dashboard. You can always do the sudo gala node status too to make sure that everything is running if you add like a brand new node into there. But that's all you got to do for that. If you're having any issues, you can always try to put in a new API key. All you would do is you just copy this, type in your new API key, click enter, and that should be good to go and running as well. If you run into a whole bunch of issues and you have no idea what's going on, you can always start at the very beginning and or make a new VPS server. That does usually work for everybody as well if you run into issues. For all my Windows users, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and make sure, once again, if you're at 3.2 or beyond, all you have to do is just update it. You're going to go down to your taskbar here, click up, go to where your Gala node is. I don't have it on mine, so I'm showing you a picture here, and there will be a button that says update node. Simply click it, go ahead and click through the yeses, and you will be good to go at the end of it. If you are not on 3.2.4 or beyond, 3.1 or something, you're going to have to go ahead and go to download. Go ahead and download your Windows installation here. It'll just re-download it. Click yes, yes, yes through everything. Super easy and straightforward. And then be done. After you have completely finished that, if you get an error from Docker that says API server not ready or any kind of other error, different things that you can do. One, you can go back down to your node taskbar here, go ahead and click node stop or node restart. You could try either of those. After you stop the node, you go ahead and start the node back up or restart the node. If that still is giving you an error, restart your whole computer. Once it all boots back up and you turn it all back on, I promise that fixes it 95% of the time with no issue. So that's kind of the common issues that people run into. And then you should be good to go as well. If you're still running into issues after you've restarted your node on here, restarted the computer, and it's still not working, go ahead and try switching out your API key. So just go to your API key, generate a brand new key, copy it, and click set API key and set it as a new API key. Sometimes that'll fix it as well, and then go ahead and save it. And that should be pretty much it. It's pretty stable now at this time, so hopefully with any of the other node versions, you'll know how to do it. It'll be a quick update and shouldn't cause you too much grief. All right, hopefully you got your nodes installed and updated. As always, stay warm, Wookiees.